Hi, I'm Jonathan Ernst, Certified Arborist with ProArbor. Let's go over the criteria that you should use when choosing a tree care professional. At first glance, it can seem quite difficult to distinguish one tree care firm from another. To simplify the selection process, check 4 specific categories. Credentials and certification are important in tree care as they are in any other service. Just as you expect licenses and certifications from accountants, doctors, lawyers, automotive technicians, or plumbers, so should you expect proper credentials from tree care professionals. All certified arborists should belong to professional organizations, so ask to see their documents from the International Society of Arboriculture, or ISA, and the Tree Care Industry Association, or TCIA. Insurance is essential in tree care. Accidents can happen, and you want to be completely certain that you are protected from any personal liability for an accident on your property when tree work is being performed. You'll need 3 types of coverage: general liability, workers' compensation, and commercial auto insurance. The tools and equipment used in tree work are very important to how well the job will be done. A few questions about what tools and equipment will be used on your project can reveal a lot about the company doing the work. Insist on specifications regarding equipment in your proposal from a tree care company. The appearance of a crew is a good indicator of the professionalism of the company that you may hire. Look for uniforms that distinguish the company's workers. Read through the brochure while asking yourself, is this a crew that I feel comfortable to have on my property? A good tree care firm will wear its professionalism boldly for you to see. So remember, check a tree care firm's credentials, insurance, tools, and professionalism, and you will find choosing your tree care professionals to be a much easier task.